Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can see the Wi-Fi password of access point you previously connected. Okay, so I put this scenario. Possible you are connected in a certain Wi-Fi access point, but at the current time you have forgotten the password, but the access point is on. Okay, is on and up. Or when you are connected with Wi-Fi access point, you were not shown the password. Okay, I mean possible the administrator hidden the password, or the owner of the access point didn't tell you the password, and during the connecting time you didn't check the connect automatically. Okay, so you didn't check this, because once you check connect automatically, you can be able to connect automatically without putting the password. So how do you get the password of a Wi-Fi access point you connected in a previous time, but you have forgotten the password, or you are not shown the password? So we are going to use CMD, which is command prompt on a window. So on search bar, type CMD. Okay, then make sure you click run as administrator, then yes. After that, here there are two commands you can run. The first command is to show all the Wi-Fi access point you were connected in the previous days, and this command is net run show profiles. Show profile. Okay, so this command is just for displaying all access point we were connected in the previous day. So all of these computer, okay, all of these access point Wi-Fi were connected to this computer. Some of access point I was not told the password, but some of them I was told. For example, this is my homeboy, he told me the password. Okay, but the next time I forgot the password, and I felt shame like to ask him, hey bro, I have forgotten the password you told me, so how do I get the password? But I'm shameless to ask him once again the password. So I can do something like this. Here I can hit one command to show or to get the password. So the command is neshlan. Alrighty, show profiles. Okay, then bracket inside I put the name of access point, cross the between double quotes, then key is equal to clear. Okay, so once I press enter, oops, okay, let's run show profiles. Here is name. Okay, now I can see under the security setting, you should be able to see the key content, which is the password. So this is the password of my homeboy. Okay, the homeboy, I lived with him very well, but he told me the Wi-Fi password in the previous day. Unfortunately enough, I forgot it, and I'm shameless to ask him about the password. So this is the way I used it to get it, the Wi-Fi password, and connected it, because I had to do some project online, which was the Django project. But there is someone here didn't tell me the password. Okay, there is someone here. She connected the password. Okay, while hiding me, so she didn't tell me the password. But today I wanted it to install the PyTesseract, which is OSR package in Python, and I see her access point is up and running, and I needed to use the bundle. So this is the way I used it to get her password. So the command is the same. What I can do here is I can just change the name. Okay, So under the security settings here, you can see the key content is Pendo TZ 2021. So this is how I managed to get the passwords of access point I was connected. So every password, every access point you are connected, every password of every access point you are connected is saved in your computer. So if you are the owner of the computer, means that you are also the owner of password. So thank you. This is actually an end of this tutorial on how you can get the Wi-Fi password of previously connected access point in your Windows. I don't know what is your experience when you want to get the password of access point. Maybe unfortunate enough you have forgotten and you're shameless to ask, or you were not told the password. How, which way, how, what the means do you use to get the password? Put the comment below so as we can share the experience. If you find this video is helpful for you, you can thumb up, put comment and share to your colleague. But to get some more astonishing video like this, make sure you click the bell button and you will be able, you subscribe and click the bell button, and you'll be able to get the notification once we upload the new video. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials.